if you've got a Golf 8 that hasn't got folding mirrors from factory, even though it's top spec, then you need to come to us and get this done. We have done so many Golf 8s now, from ours all the way down to like the E's, and well, I say down to, but the E's and there are more entry level ones, the Estates, everything. We've done so many of them, and all of the Golf 8 owners have turned around and said, why has it got folding mirrors? Don't know, no idea why. But as you can see, we can fit them. You get your original mirror caps back, obviously, your original glass back. All we're changing is the main kind of mirror unit that moves and everything like that. It all just goes in really nicely, all gets coded in and works a treat. So as you can see, locked it and they folded, unlocked them. After a few seconds, they bring themselves back down again. It's that simple really, but such a useful thing to have. And on such a modern car, we don't understand why they don't have it either. Obviously, because they're factory equipment, you get your folding mirror option on the infotainment. So you can obviously go in there and change whether they fold on lock or not. You can also change whether they synchronize or not. And then you also get your new mirror switch in your driver's door as well, which has the folding option. So as soon as you twist it down to fold, they fold. And I think you can do that up to about 10 miles an hour, I think it is. So if you were driving down a tight lane and you wanted to, you could just tweak them in. That's just because I didn't open the door. You could tweak them in and then just wiggle your way through. Or if you had like a tight garage, you could then fold them in and nudge into your garage. And also, if you leave the switch set to the left mirror, we can then also obviously code in mirror dip reverse. So when you put it into reverse gear, you can adjust where your left hand, your passenger mirror, folds down to, and it will remember that as well. So yes, dead popular upgrade. You can see why. They're a lovely car. You would have thought they'd have it, but they don't. So yeah, if you've got a Golf 8 and you want this doing, get in contact, check out some of the other videos, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.